If you rely on someone else for the success of your business, or if you choose to rely on somebody else, meaning, do you have a partner? Do you have a co owner? Do you have staff members? And do you rely on their efforts, outcomes, and results for the success of your own business? If that's true, you need to measure their efforts, not just lagging indicators like literal outcomes, but look at and measure their leading indicators, as in the efforts that should lead to those outcomes. Measure those. In almost all cases, you should be looking at those weekly. You should also have very well defined spheres of activity. So, role descriptions, role profiles, targets, big rocks, intended outcomes annually, quarterly, everything. So, if this is you and you have staff or partners, um, make sure you have scorecards, make sure you have JDs, make sure it's super, super, super clear. Because, again, if you're the owner, at the end of the day, the success of your business is all about you. So, make sure it happens.